Hopefully we didn't miss too much here. Yeah, so those you guys watching, welcome back. But yeah, you hopefully you hopefully this is review stuff for you guys. Sorry. Thought I hit the record button. Apparently not. All right. So it says an investment of $40,500 resulted in a profit of $1,012.50. What is the rate of return? So the rate of return, so how much do they get back from this?
So is that an end as a percent?
What's that?
So is that end up as a percent?
Yeah, it's an end as a percent.
Okay.
So of 40,000 resulted in a profit, the profit is $1,012.50. So this is essentially, oops, sorry. So the $1,012.50 should go on top out of 40,500. So our profit out of the whole. And now you could divide those the way they are, or you could change this right away to a percentage, because we're going to write the percent as, or the rate as a percentage. You could do it this way. You could divide it and change it into a decimal. It's kind of up to you guys how you go about it. It ends up being 2 point something, right?
2.5% is what I've got. If I did it correctly.
That sounds right.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so 2.5% would be our rate of return. So we're getting a profit of 2.5% from
Yeah,
that.
I think I'm doing wrong because I got 4,000.
Oh yeah. All right. So as long as it's maintained, the hot water heater should last 12 years before it needs to be replaced. If a water heater is 10 years old, find the percent of the water heater's life that remains. Round to the nearest percent. So how much life years remain for our water heater in this case? This is adulting 101, yes. 2. So there's 2 years remaining. Out of 12, we've done 10 years. So there's 2 years remaining out of our total life of our water heater. What's our life of our water heater? 12 years. We want to figure out what percent of life that remains. That's why we're using the 2 rather than what's been taken out. If they said how much of its life has been used up, then we would use the 10 on top.
Imagine if I that's right. Good job on that. Original, the messed up percent by
Oh, yeah, that worked. Yeah. So again, you can set this equal to x over 100 if you want. Then Jacob's truck leaving.
Yeah.
And it says to the nearest percent, we get like 16.6%. So we'd say 17% of the water heater's life is left. Again, like I said, this is like adulting. How exciting to have to buy a new water heater. Yeah, and hopefully that's what I intended it to be. I'll tell you, buying a water heater, there's nothing more exciting. Your shiny new water heater. Like, like there's a lot.
Great.
Like it's not like you get like a new car and you're like, check out the new car. You're like, check out the new water heater. Like, got hot water. Like,
showing off all to your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. This new one has an LCD screen on it.
Ours, we actually do have a really cool water. It's really, really huge. So like, I mean,
So is ours.
so like like people have come into our house and be like, your water heater, like they compliment our water heater, which like, you know, like, so it is kind of like adulting wins, but like not exactly like my idea of fun. All right, should we take a break?
Yes, go inside.